Okay, good morning. So in the last class, I have started that particular stock data method or the analytical method of the branch accounting. Um, Yesterday, I have given you the pro forma of that particular account and how to do a solve. I've told you. Now I will do a sum today in today's class. যেটা সামস করে দেখাচ্ছি. Okay. First, read out the sum. A Calcutta head office has a branch at Nagpur. Goods are invoiced by the head office to branch at cost plus 25%. Okay, so the invoice price is cost plus 25%. So if I primarily calculate the percentage, it is 1/4 on cost. 25 means 1/4 on cost. 1/4 on cost মানে 1/5 on invoice price. ঠিক আছে, এটা জাস্ট মাথায় রাখ, তাহলেই হবে. Okay. Cost plus 25%, that means 1/4 on cost মানে হচ্ছে 1/5 on sale. আচ্ছা, বা invoice price. From the following particulars prepare branch stock account, branch goods sent to branch account. এইটা আমি করব না, goods sent to branch accountটা ও আসে না, বেকার দিয়েছিল. ঠিক আছে, যেটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট সেটাই আমি করছি, গুডস সেন্ট টু ব্রাঞ্চটা করবো না আমি. ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট ব্রাঞ্চ স্টক অ্যাডজাস্টমেন্ট অ্যাকাউন্ট, ব্রাঞ্চ ডেটার অ্যাকাউন্ট, ব্রাঞ্চ প্রফিট আর লস অ্যাকাউন্ট. ওকে, সো এক্সেপ্ট ফর দ্য গুডস সেন্ট টু ব্রাঞ্চ, বাকি লিস্ট অফ দ্য 4 অ্যাকাউন্টস উইল বি প্রিপেয়ার্ড. আমি 4টে অ্যাকাউন্টই বানিয়েছি, আমি দেখাচ্ছি. Okay, first give information given. Stock on 1st January 1996, it is invoice price given 30,000. Next, goods invoiced to branch during the year, that means invoice price 1,38,000, that means the goods sent to branch at invoice price. Branch data opening balance 1st January 1996 24,000, opening balance is given. Next, goods returned by branch invoice price 2,000. It suggested that the goods have been returned by the branch to head office. Okay, goods returned by branch, that means branch to head office return was 2,000. Next, branch sales cash 64,000, credit 72,800, total 1,36,800. Bad debt return of 700, discount allowed 600, branch expenses 14,500, closing stock 27,600, cash received from debtors 81,000. So it is your whole sum. Okay, now you have to prepare 4 account, that means branch stock adjustment, branch data, and branch profit and loss. For primarily what I feel, you can you can do all the account together. Okay, but it is basically the main important part of this particular thing is that the branch stock account কিন্তু মেইন. ঠিক আছে, তারপরে ব্রাঞ্চ স্টক অ্যাডজাস্টমেন্ট আসে. ঠিক আছে, ব্রাঞ্চ স্টকটা ঠিকঠাক করতে পারলে তাহলে ব্রাঞ্চ স্টক অ্যাডজাস্টমেন্টটা আরামসে নেমে যায়. ওকে, সো আমি পুরোটাই একসাথে করে দেখাচ্ছি. wherever the information is to be posted, I'm just telling those. Okay, যেখানে যেখানে দরকার সেখানে সেখানে পুট করে দেবো. Okay, so first on stock on 1st January 1996, that is the invoice price, so it's the opening balance. So it is the opening balance of the stock, তার মানে stock account it is the Nagpur branch stock account. আচ্ছা দেখিয়ে নি, 4টে অ্যাকাউন্ট বানিয়েছি, দেখিয়ে নি. Nagpur branch stock account, next we have stock adjustment account, next branch data account, and last one is your branch profit and loss account. 4টে অ্যাকাউন্ট পরপর বানানো আছে. Okay, first one, branch stock account, it is the opening balance 30,000, so to balance BD, invoice price 30,000. Okay, so whenever you have posted the 30,000, the respective load will be cancelled into which account? The respective load will be cancelled in the branch stock adjustment account. ठीक है, এখানে स्टॉक इनवॉइस प्राइस वैल्यूगुलो लिखबो और तार जो रेस्पेक्टिव लोड है वो लोड को कैंसिल करेंगे स्टॉक एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट में. ठीक है, यहाँ पर स्टॉक का वैल्यू लिखेंगे, वहाँ पर लोड कैंसिल करेंगे. ठीक है, अच्छा, तो 30,000 इनवॉइस प्राइस है, उसके ऊपर जितना लोड होगा जस्ट क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ द स्टॉक एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट, गो देयर branch stock account credit side, buy opening stock reserve, load on opening stock, it is 30,000 into 1/5. 1/5 कैसे आया मैंने पहले ही बता दिया, 1/4 on cost था, so 1/5 on invoice. So 30,000 into 1/5, so it will be 6,000. So opening stock के ऊपर लोड कितना हो गया, 6,000. Done, first entry over. Now second, goods invoiced to branch during the year invoice price. So it is a goods sent to branch. So on the debit side of the branch stock account it will be posted, okay, to goods sent to branch invoice price 1,38,000, to goods sent to branch invoice price 1,38,000. Now you need to cancel out the load on that particular 1,38,000. That is to be done on the credit side. Okay, so on the credit side of the branch stock adjustment account, just see that buy goods sent to branch account, load on goods sent, এটা আমি লিখতে ভুলে গেছি, ঠিক আছে, 1,38,000 into 1/5, so it will be 27,600. Okay, so 27,600 is the load on the goods sent. Second entry over, ঠিক আছে, entry টা over, respective treatment over. Next, branch data opening balance 1/1/1996 24,000. So it will be the simple the opening balance of the branch data. And the branch data account opening balance to balance BD 24,000. Third entry is over also. Now, next one. Goods returned by branch. Okay, that means branch head office কে ফেরত পাঠাচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে, so it will be posted on the credit side of the branch stock account. Okay, that means that it's a goes out item. Okay, তাহলে এখানে দেখ আমি লিখেছি buy goods sent to branch return to head office, buy goods sent to branch return to head office 2000. Okay, আচ্ছা এখানে একটা আইপি হতো, এখানে একটা আইপি লেখা হতো, ওখানে বলে দিয়েছিল, here it is mentioned IP. I forgot to write that. So goods sent to branch 2000, it will be IP. So again you need to cancel out the load, but this load will be cancelled on the debit side of the stock adjustment account. ঠিক আছে, এটা debit side, loadটা cancel হবে debit side এ. Okay, so just see that to goods sent to branch account, load on goods returned to head office 2000 into 1/5, so it will be 400. Okay, so 2000 into 1/5, it will be 400. That will be your load on goods returned by head office, sorry, branch. Next, branch sales cash 64,000, credit 72,000. So cash sale will be posted on the credit side of the branch stock. Just see that buy bank account cash sale 64,000. Credit sales also to be posted on the credit side of the branch account, just like branch data account in bracket credit sales. Okay, so the cash sales will be passed through the bank account and the credit sale will be passed through the branch data account. Okay, so branch data account credit sale 72,800. Now that is to be double posted on the branch data account. এটা তো branch data account এ double posting হবে। journal entry কি হলো, branch data account debit to branch stock account. So on the branch data you see that to branch stock account credit sale 72,800. Okay, so this is your fifth treatment আর কি, fifth যে ট্রিটমেন্টটা হলো সেটা করলাম, cash sales and credit sales. Now bad debt written off 700, discount allowed 600. এই দুটো আমি একসঙ্গে বলবো, সেই জন্য আমি একবারে বলছি। ব্যাড ডেট রিটার্ন অফ 700, ডিসকাউন্ট অ্যালাউড ইজ 600. So what is the journal entry for the bad debt? Bad debt এর journal entry হয় bad debt account debit to debtors. Okay, so it will be posted on the credit side of the debtors account. Just simple journal entry, bad debt account debit to debtors account, simple journal entry. তাহলে debtors account এ buy bad debt 700, buy discount allowed 600. Now this particular bad debt and discount allowed both are both are losses actually. Okay, I'm not mention this as expenses, but because it's not an expense, it's a loss. Okay, bad debt is also a loss, discount allowed is also to a loss. ঠিক আছে, ওকে, তাহলে দুটোই হচ্ছে losses. So all losses to be debited on the profit and loss account. Okay, so all the losses to be debited to the profit and loss account. Just see that branch profit and loss account, bad debt 700, discount allowed 600. Okay, both the things have been posted. So both the amount of the losses is to be posted on the branch profit and loss account debit side. ঠিক আছে, এইগুলো মনে করে করবি, ঠিক আছে, ওখানে ডেটা সবাই ডেটাসে লিখে ছেড়ে দেয়, ঠিক আছে, buy bad debt discount allowed they have mentioned, then leave it that, but that particular thing will be debited to the profit and loss account too. Okay, because it's a loss. Next, what do we have? Branch expenses. Okay, branch expenses simply to be posted on the branch profit and loss account debit side. Directly branch profit and loss debit side বসবে, branch expenses 14,500. Next, what we have? Next we have the closing stock of the branch stock. Okay, so if I post that particular thing, buy balance CD IP, so 27,600. Okay, buy balance CD invoice price 27,600. So it will be the closing balance of the branch stock. Now if it is the closing balance of the branch stock, then load will be cancelled on the debit side. ঠিক আছে, load cancel করতে হবে debit side. So branch stock account debit side is like closing stock reserve, load on closing stock 27,600 into 1/5, so 5520. Okay, so it will be the load on closing stock 27,000 into 1/4 on cost, that means 1/5 on invoice, so 27,600 into 1/5. Now last one we have cash received from the debtors. Okay, so the journal entry will be cash account debit to debtor, so it will be posted on the credit side of the debtors account. Okay, debtors account and credit side by bank cash received 81,000. Okay, so all the posting have been done or completed. Now we'll need to calculate the each and every account separately. প্রতিটা account আলাদা আলাদা করে separately balance করব. Now just see that here. If we consider the branch stock account, what we have, just a minute. Okay, if we consider the branch stock account, the debit side it is 30,000, 1,38,000, total is 1,68,000, out of which you have deducting 64,000 cash sales, credit sales 72,800, goods returned 2,000, and 27,600 is the balance CD. So there is a balance on the credit side, okay, of 1,600. একটা 1,600 এর একটা balance CD arise করেছে, ঠিক আছে? তো সেটা কি করব? This will be termed as your, this will be your balancing figure, nothing else, ঠিক আছে? এটা হচ্ছে আমার balancing figure, আমি জাস্ট মার্ক করে দিলাম এখানে, হ্যাঁ? It will be our balancing figure. Okay, এটা হচ্ছে আমার balancing figure, so it will be considered as the balance came on the credit side. This will be termed as a shortage of stock. ডেবিট সাইডে হলে সারপ্লাস হতো, ক্রেডিট সাইডে বলতে শর্টেজ বলছে, ঠিক আছে? শর্টেজ অফ স্টক, অনেকে এটাকে sometimes you can see that this particular thing have been termed as abnormal loss to someone, have termed this as a stock deficiency account. Lot of names are there, okay, but I strictly want to tell you that don't write abnormal loss, okay, because abnormal loss can be there, okay, but shortage will be not be there, so better to write the shortage, okay, or you can use the stock deficiency, ঠিক আছে? stock deficiency ও use করা যায়, ঠিক আছে, but what I prefer generally to write is as a shortage of stock. If the balance is on the credit side, write shortage. If the balance is on the debit side, write surplus. Simple as that. Okay, so shortage of stock, invoice price 1,600. Now how can you tell you this particular thing as an invoice price? Because whole account have been mentioned as invoice price, so this balance will also be valued at invoice price. It is so simple. Now if this be the at invoice price, then you have to cancel out the load on the debit side of the stock adjustment account. So in the stock adjustment account, just see that to shortage of stock load 1,600 into 1 by 5, so it will be 320. Okay, so it will be your what, it will be the closure of your branch stock account, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে branch stock account টা আমার ক্লোজ হয়ে গেছে। Next what we have, next you have the branch stock adjustment account. Now in the branch stock adjustment, you just see that you have on the credit side the opening stock reserves 6,000, closing stock reserves 20, goods and load on goods sent, it is 27,600. Now what we have, the goods sent to branch on the debit side, load on goods returned actually, okay, load on goods returned is your 400, shortage of stock এর উপর লোড ছিল 320, and the closing stock reserve was 5520. so you have a balance in here which is termed as a gross profit. So to branch profit and loss account, gross profit transfer, it is your balancing figure, so it will be, it is came as 27,360, ঠিক আছে? এটা হচ্ছে আরেকটা ব্যালেন্স। ওকে, দিস উইল বি দ্য আনাদার ব্যালেন্স, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে ফার্স্ট ব্যালেন্সটা ওখানে স্টক অ্যাকাউন্টে বেরোলো, যেটা হচ্ছে শর্টেজ অফ স্টক। সেকেন্ড ব্যালেন্স অ্যাপিয়ার্স ইন দ্য this particular account, that is your branch profit or loss account. So gross profit transfer 27,360. okay, done. Next what do you have, next you have the branch debtor account. Now branch debtor account, you just need to calculate the balance CD 14,500. actually this particular thing doesn't play any important role in this particular sum. Why so? Because they just need you to calculate the closing balance, okay? Closing balance don't have any some subsequent effect, okay, but in sometimes they might ask you to calculate that particular credit cell, কখনো কখনো credit cell টা calculate করতে বলবে। so if they ask you to calculate that particular credit cell, then there will be some significance, but in this particular sum there is no significance of this particular branch debtor account, just you need to calculate the closing balance, simple, okay? so এটার অতটা ইম্পর্টেন্স এই পার্টিকুলার সামটাতে নেই, okay? so finally we need to go to that particular branch profit and loss account, okay? now just see that এটাকে তখন বলতে ভুলে গেলাম। okay, so the journal entry here in this particular balance, so the journal entry is the branch stock adjustment account debit to branch profit and loss account. So in the branch profit and loss account, we need to put that by branch stock adjustment account gross profit. Look at here, branch stock adjustment account 27,360 is your gross profit, Now we have already posted that branch expenses 14,500, bad debt 700, discount allowed 600. One of the thing that will be treated herein, that is the shortage of stock. Now shortage means it is a loss. Okay, all losses are debited, so in the branch profit or loss account it will be debited. Now by which price? At the cost, at the cost price, at the cost price. Okay, so the invoice price is your 160, you have a load of 320, so if I deduct it, it is 1280 is your shortage of stock. Okay, so it is a important particular point. Okay, sometimes we forgot to put that thing. Okay, but it is a very important aspect of the sum, because shortage is considered as a loss. Okay, all losses are debited. Okay, so 1280 is your loss. And finally what you have, finally you just calculate the general profit or loss account, branch net profit transfer. It is came as 10,280. Okay, 10280 is the 10,280 is your branch net profit. Okay, and both side total 27,360. Okay, so in this way we can do the particular branch stock adjustment, particular stock status methods account. It's a very easy kind of sums, এর থেকে বেশি টাফ দেয়ও না। ঠিক আছে, মানে এই জিনিসগুলোই হয়তো থাকবে, হয়তো জাস্ট টু আর থ্রি অ্যাডজাস্টমেন্টস, মানে টু আর থ্রি এন্ট্রিজ মোর, এরপরে হয়তো আর দু একটা এন্ট্রি দিতে পারে। ঠিক আছে, বাট দ্যাটস নট সো টাফ, বিকজ দে মোর অর লেস this particular format will be followed. Okay, so don't consider it is a tough chapter, just consider that how to do a sum. ঠিক আছে, আগের দিন যে ফরম্যাট লিখেছি সেই ফরম্যাট ফলো করেই করেছি। now I'm giving you the example, so in the next class also we'll solve some sum, so we'll get a better idea also. Okay, so this will be the end of the class. If you have any query, please tell me. কারোর কোনো ডাউট থাকলে বল। Any doubts? Okay. Okay, now I'm stop sharing the screen. Now I'll give you the attendance, just a minute.